Hey guys, welcome to the training for what is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing in 2020? Affiliate marketing basically comes down to three different things. The three most important things of what I think affiliate marketing is the offer or the product, the traffic source, and how you deliver that product to the customer, the platform, the selling platform. Now, I guess I do it in a little bit different way. I always start with how I'm going to be delivering that product to the customer, the traffic. Like, what kind of traffic am I going to be getting? Am I going to be using paid traffic or am I going to be using free traffic? And depending on either one of those, paid traffic, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, things like that, or free traffic, uh, Craigslist, SEO marketing, which is search engine optimization marketing, niche websites, which is basically SEO, looking for the first page of Google. What else is free traffic? YouTube, like if you're going to be making YouTube videos, that's free traffic. Um, and there's tons of different ways. I'm going to stick with the ways that I use. So that's how I start. Before I even pretty much think about an offer, I start with the traffic. Like, what kind of traffic am I going to be bringing to this offer? Because that's going to determine what kind of offer I'm going to be bringing. If I'm looking at Instagram traffic, whether it's free just by posting or paid, where you can buy shout outs from Instagram influencers. I bet a lot of people have never even heard of that, but that's when you pay somebody to shout out a product or a service on their website to their audience. Now, that's a paid form of traffic through Instagram. Or the free way of Instagram, just by putting a link into your bio and then you building up that Instagram page and then sending people back to your bio, whereas they go back to your link, and that's a form of free Instagram traffic. So if I was looking to do Instagram, I'd probably be sticking to maybe a beauty product, a health product, because that's what Instagram is geared towards. It's geared towards, healthcare, not healthcare, but beauty products, skincare products, things like that, because it's a lot of pictures. It's all picture oriented, picture focused. If you're looking at YouTube, if you're going to be wanting to do free YouTube traffic where you're just doing free YouTube videos and getting traffic that way by people looking it up in the search engine, like how to do this, how to do that, that's a form of free YouTube traffic. Or paid YouTube traffic where you're going to be buying YouTube ads and paying for ads. Then there's a lot more variety you can do. You can look at products that are geared around business, financially, how to do this, how to do that, more education, or you could do more entertainment. There's a lot of entertainment on YouTube. People are looking at that as a form of, people watch more YouTube than they watch TV nowadays. So if you're looking to promote, there's gaming. You could do gaming offers. There's a ton of gaming on YouTube. There's Facebook. All right, if you're looking to do Facebook, that's free and paid as well. You could do free where you're just posting in posts and then sending people back to whatever you're promoting on your own page or through pages that you own and manage. Or you can be paying for YouTube ads. That's a form of paid traffic through Facebook. So, there's tons of different ways, tons of traffic out there. That's why I started traffic, because depending on what kind of traffic you're going to go after, depends on the product. That's how traffic works with affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate marketing is you as an affiliate are promoting a product or service on your website or whatever traffic source you choose, your platform. The customers click on your links and they convert. When you're looking at EPC, earnings per click, that's how a lot of people are measuring the success and the conversion rates of a lot of different offers, depending on what what kind of offers that you're promoting. That's how they pretty much determine the EPC. Like, say if you have 100 people go to your offer, how many people out of that 100 will convert, and that's called a conversion. 100 people might click on there, but only 30%, 30 people might go ahead and click into the offer and actually purchase. And that's where your conversions are tracked. And it's when you're going to start having tracking softwares, ClickMagick, Volume, BMob, again, depending on what kind of marketing you're doing. If you're doing CPA marketing, where it's cost per action, cost per click, cost per sale, cost per lead, things like that, you're going to want to track all that, because usually people don't want to, and I don't like to do any kind of paid advertising, and well, I don't want to do any kind of paid advertising without tracking it. So you have to track it, or else you're just throwing money down the toilet. And then the company pays you, the affiliate, a commission of that product. So you sell a product, $100 product, and you have a 50% commission. You earn $50 on that $100 sale. Or you're doing CPL, cost per lead. If you're doing cost per lead, like through Max Bounty, PeerFly, Cash Network, affiliate networks like that, then you're getting paid per lead. So anytime somebody puts in, say, their email address, you're getting paid a commission. And it's usually between, it could be anything, but the average is about $1 to $3. Typically, depending on what traffic network you're using, that depends on, what kind of commissions you're going to be getting. Companies like ClickBank tend to pay, 75% up to 90%. You may very few see offers out there that pay 100%. And then I'll show you that in another video on how you can, places where you can look for these different offers. But in this video, I just wanted to stick with what affiliate marketing was and the basics of it. Once you have the basics down, then you can move on to the next step. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that, and let's go on into the next video. Okay, that was how affiliate marketing works. What is it? A basic breakdown. All right.